Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my dear subscribers? I hope that everyone, is pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you lots of beautiful nail art designs. These are very attractive and easy nail art designs. Very stylish and latest ideas are shared in today's video. Hope so you will enjoy and like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. Friends, I have shared lots of beautiful easy nail art designs that you can easily copy them. Must tell me in the comment section which one you like the most. Every design is very pretty and very easy. Some of them I've shared little bit different ideas for beginners. And these, some of them are a little bit hard to copy, that you can copy them from salons. Hope so you enjoyed and like these ideas. So friends, if you like these ideas and if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of beautiful ideas related to nail art designs, huge collection of nail art designs. I have shared different type of nails and different ideas. I've shared seasonal nail art designs like summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn and spring nail art designs. Very beautiful luxury nail art designs. A huge collection of easy nail art designs that you can copy easily. Lots of beautiful occasional nail art designs are also shared. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist. That I have shared with the name of nail art designs. In my every video, almost I have shared 100 plus ideas related to nail art designs. And also some videos are short, like 35 ideas and 50 ideas almost are shared. And also I've shared in shorts videos. Hope so you will enjoy and like those ideas. Friends, also tell me about those videos in the comment section. Please do let me know what type of nail art designs you like the most. I'll try to share with you that type of ideas. So friends, this was my today's video. Hope so you enjoyed and liked these ideas. Must like and subscribe my channel. Now let me say to take care, friends. Bye bye.